Hey everybody, welcome to the 7 Days to Beat Procrastination Challenge. I am really excited to get started. We're going to start officially on the 20th of July. And what's going to happen is super simple. Every single day for 7 days, so not forever, you're going to get an email from me with some tips and strategies that are really intended to just help you as you work toward your journey to beat procrastination. And we all have some procrastinating type tendencies here or there. So hopefully this will be something that's helpful for helping you over something you're working on now. Or luckily, the blog post will be there for in prosperity, so you can always go back and run through them again if you're struggling later on. So one thing I wanted to make sure that you realize is this isn't going to be like airy fairy woo woo kind of ethereal stuff. These are hands-on, practical, actionable tips and strategies that if you use them every day, you can really improve your work, improve your life, and hopefully those around you by no longer really putting things off that you're supposed to be getting done, especially things that are super important to you. And so each day you're going to get this email. It's going to send you over to a post that you can read, and then you can utilize that to choose to do the action. So until then, I hope that you might consider joining us over in the Press Play Lifestyle VIP Facebook group. And that's where we'll talk a little bit more about the topics of procrastination and other strategies and techniques and practical tips that you need to really be successful in your work and life. So hopefully you will share your own experiences, any struggles that you might have when it comes to procrastination or when it comes to being your best inspired self. And let us know what you're hoping to accomplish in the 7 week challenge. So I hope to see you bright and early on the 20th. You'll get a welcome email as well as one email every day for 7 days. And hopefully we'll see you all soon. If you know anyone else that might benefit from the challenge, please send them over to the 7 Day Challenge opt-in link, and we'll be happy to help them. And don't forget, if you still really feel like you're struggling after the 7 days or even want more support during the challenge, you can always book a free, no obligation chat, call, whatever it is, and we can talk through what's really holding you back and stopping you from being your best self. There'll be buttons in every one of the emails that'll give you an opportunity to schedule your free call. You can always respond directly to those emails. You can comment on any of the posts. So hopefully you'll be able to find all of the different ways that you may need to reach out as you're working through the challenge to get a little bit of help. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. I'm really excited. Bye.